Benefits of vitamin E oil with source. Benefits: moisturizing skin, wound healing, skin cancer prevention, reducing skin itching, eczema, psoriasis, preventing or minimizing the appearance of scars, preventing or treating fine lines and wrinkles, sunburn prevention, promoting nail health. Now Foods, Natural E400 Review. Description: Antioxidant Protection, D-alpha Tocopheryl, Non-GMO, a dietary supplement. Kosher, contains gelatin, vitamins, GMP Quality Assured. Vitamin E is a major antioxidant and the primary defense against lipid peroxidation. It is particularly important in protecting the body's cells from free radical oxidative damage. Cell protection against oxidative damage is achievable with supplemental intakes higher than what is normally consumed in the average diet. Suggested use: take 1 softgel daily with a meal. Other ingredients: softgel capsule, gelatin, water, glycerin, and organic extra virgin olive oil. Contains soy, non-GMO. Not manufactured with yeast, wheat, gluten, milk, egg, fish or shellfish ingredients. Produced in a GMP facility that processes other ingredients containing these allergens. Warnings: caution, for adults only. Consult physician if pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition. Keep out of reach of children. Natural color variation may occur in this product. Store in a cool, dry place after opening. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.